Hello students, I hope you all are good at home and you are practicing the homework. So today we will learn about what? Can you guess which thing, which topic we will discuss today? So look at this. What is it? This is a weight balance. Yes or no? And I think all of you are familiar with this because whenever you go to the market or whenever you purchase, you or your parents purchase vegetable from the vegetable seller, they all have a weight balance like this. Okay. So today we will learn about the weight. So what is the definition of weight? Is what weight tells. Weight tells how heavy or light an object is. Okay, so look here. This is a remote, and this is a tablet I have. Okay. So now can you tell which is heavier object here? This one. This tablet will be heavier than this remote. Yes or no? Okay, good. Means tab will be heavier than the remote. Okay, now we will discuss about the weight using these slides. Okay. So everyone look at the screen carefully. So look here. What is it? It is a watermelon. And what is it? It is a mango. Can you tell which object is heavier here? Which object has more weight? This mango or this watermelon? You will say, sir, watermelon will be heavier than the mango because weight of watermelon is more, right? Okay, very good. Now we are moving to next slide. Okay, look here. Look at these pictures. What is it? It is a car. And what is it? It's a scooter. And what is it? It is a bicycle. Right. So can you guess which object is heavy and which object is light here? Can you guess? So I mean 3 vehicles. How many vehicles are there? 1, 2, 3 vehicles are there. So which one is lightest here? Means this bicycle is lightest here. Okay. The weight of the scooter is more than the bicycle. Okay. Good. Weight of car is more than the scooter. Right? Okay. Nice. Okay. Now look at this question. Which object is heavier? This is a school bag. And what is it? It is a box. Right. So can you tell which object is heavier here? Guess which is? The bag is heavier than the pencil box. Nice. Very good. And we are moving to next question. Now can you tell me which object is lighter here? This object or this object? Which is lighter here? Can you tell? Yes, very good. The chair is lighter than the cupboard. Okay, good. Now, in this question, read this question carefully and now tell which object is heaviest. Which is the heaviest object? This is a ball, this is a nail, and this is a hammer. So can you tell which is heaviest object? Okay, look here. This is a ball, this is a nail, this is a hammer. So which is heaviest object? To find the heaviest object means the object which has most weight. Okay. So now this is a ball. Ball will be heavier than the nail. Ball will be heavier than the nail. So if I talk about this hammer, hammer will also be the heavier than the nail. Means there are two objects which are heavier than the nail. But if we compare ball and hammer, which will be heavier, the hammer will be heavier. Okay. So now there are three objects. 1, 2, 3. In all three objects, which is heaviest? Okay. So hammer is the heaviest.
Hello students. We all know that weight is the measure that tells how heavy or light an object is. Do you remember what else we learned about weight with Jay when he went to the fruit and vegetable market? That's right. We learned that we can measure the weight of an object using a weighing balance. When two objects are placed on the two pans of a weighing balance, the pan with the heavier object goes down and the pan with the lighter object goes up. Let's see what happens when we put two more apples. The two pans are at the same level now. When the objects on both sides of a weighing balance weigh the same, the pans are at the same level. Back home, Jed finds a weighing balance. He wants to find the weight of his toy car using the weighing balance. Do you think it is possible to find the weight of an object using a weighing balance? Yes, it is. Let's learn how. To find the weight of his toy car using the weighing balance, Jed puts the toy car on one pan. On the other pan, he places the blocks one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On adding 6 blocks, both the pans are at the same level. When both the pans are at the same level, it means that the weight is equal on both sides of the weighing balance. So, the weight of the toy car is the same as the weight of 6 blocks. Jed places a football on one side of the pan. On the other pan, he adds blocks one by one until both pans are at the same level. What is the weight of the football? The weight of the football is the same as the weight of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. Students, you can also find the weight of objects using a weighing balance. Let's give it a try. To do so, click on Next.
Okay, now we will drag these blocks on the pan. Okay. Now one side there is a candle and one side is empty. So now we will put these blocks one block we have done, 2. Now look at this. These both pans are equal or not? Yes, these both pans are equal. It means the weight of candle will be 2 blocks. Okay. As we have find out the weight of this candle is equal to 2 blocks, right? So we are going to next question.
Drag and drop the blocks to find the weight of the mangoes.
So look here, now we will try to find out the weight of mangoes. So I am putting blocks on the pan. 1, 2 blocks, 3 blocks and 4 blocks. How many blocks I have put there? I have put there 4 blocks.
Well done. The mangoes weigh the same as 4 blocks.
Look here, both pans are equal. Yes and no? Yes. Now both pans are equal. So it means the weight of mango is same as the 4 blocks. We can say 2 mango is equal to 4 blocks.